What good is it, my brother? You count the houses by the hillside, you stack the papers in a drawer, you shake a hand for every promise, then wonder what the hunger's for. Your child is waiting by the doorway, a question folded in their hand. You bought the watch that marks the minutes, but missed the moment you could stand. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? What good is a crown on an empty heart when the truth comes calling at the end of day? Hold on to love, hold on to mercy. Let your conscience have its say. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? The market rises, rivers dry up, a silver gate cannot give breath, no suitcase follows past the doorway, no title bargains with your death. Share your bread beside the roadside, speak the name of those unseen. A little kindness outlives fortunes, a clean heart keeps the spirit clean. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? What good is a crown on an empty heart when the truth comes calling at the end of day? Hold on to love, hold on to mercy. Let your conscience have its say. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? Turn from the glitter, return to the living. The richest hands are open wide. If you have plenty, lift up the weary. Walk with the ones pushed aside. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? What good is a crown on an empty heart when the truth comes calling at the end of day? Hold on to love, hold on to mercy. Let your conscience have its say. What good is it to gain the whole world if you lose your soul along the way? Keep your heart, keep your heart. That is the treasure no gold can buy. Keep your heart, keep your heart. Walking true till the day you die.